This is Larnaca and the beach called Finikoudes. So I'm out exploring Cyprus again, and I'm gonna be staying here for Christmas and New Year's holidays. But the weather tricked me a bit. Today it is raining and windy, but there is some sun coming up later this week, and temperatures of up to 20 degrees Celsius, so I do hope for it. But it's time now to take the first swim in Larnaca. So I arrived 1 hour ago at the Larnaca Airport. Then I took the bus to the city before I head off to Napa, where I'm going to be staying for 2 weeks at the Sun Prime Hotel Resort. So yeah, this is Finikoudes, and now let's get ready for a swim. Let's go! Alright, it's 4:30 p.m. on this wonderful 21st of December. So we are only 3 days away from Christmas Eve that I'm gonna be spending here in the sunny Cyprus. Okay, usually it is sunny, but today it's a bit windy and there was some rain also. But, hopefully some sun throughout the next days. So let's take the first swim in December in Cyprus. So I was here for 7 days in August and September for a summer vacation, and back then it was 30 degrees all the time. Even at night the lowest temperature was 25. So I'm really looking to explore Cyprus in this different weather, winter. Well, still in the summer. It's gonna be around 20 degrees. Right now it is 17 degrees Celsius, so a little bit chillier. But if you know, I have been doing lots of beach adventures in Sweden, where it was 0 degrees the last month of my beach adventures. So this is actually quite nice and warm. And there are big waves today here. And yes, this is Finikoudes beach, the most popular beach in Larnaca. And Larnaca is a larger city in Cyprus, where there is also the airport. So from this port, the airport is around 6 kilometers away, the terminal. So it is very near. You can basically also walk. I took the bus today though. So yes, okay, let's take the first swim, because I took a swim here in Larnaca back in 2017, was it? When I was exploring Paphos, and then I took a one-day trip to Napa and Larnaca. But this summer when I was here in Protaros, I didn't visit Larnaca, so I'm gonna be returning here one day to explore a bit more. But the water, I'm already in, and it's warm. It's super warm, believe me. Compare it to Malaga and Torremolinos, where I was 2 weeks ago, here it is warmer, for sure. Because Cyprus is on the end of the Mediterranean Sea. It's actually, this is part of the Libyan Sea, if I'm not mistaken. And it's a bit different climate than Spain, that is closer to the ocean. The Atlantic Ocean, of course. Okay, it is blowing a lot, so I'm not sure if you can hear me. I will try to adjust the sound if possible. But there are lots of waves, and it's so amazing. Beach adventures with Chris in Cyprus over the Christmas and New Year's holidays. It's gonna be beautiful 2 weeks here in this Mediterranean pearl. So the beach here, it's quite shallow as I go in. I'm around 50 meters from the shore now and still walking. So I think it's time then to take a swim. So here, on 3 with me. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it's so nice. So beautiful. So beautiful. What a fantastic view in my beach adventures here from this beautiful beach in Larnaca. Look at that. Look at that. It seems like rain is coming also on its way. But yeah, that's a wrap from the first beach adventure from Larnaca and the first from this Christmas and New Year's edition from Cyprus. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure from Cyprus on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!